Hello everyone, we are back. Sorry I haven't been on in a while. Just got done installing this ACIQ 3-zone mini split system. It has 3 floor models. You can hear my van in the back warming up. It has been extremely cold here in Western Pennsylvania, and I've been out here working on this bad boy. Turned out really good. It's an extreme heat, so it'll make rated efficiency down to -20 outside. We got the unit hung, just got her fired up. She's blowing nice cold air, means she's pumping heat inside. And I'll try to grab a quick video of the indoor units. We got this piece here was an afterthought. The customer changed where they wanted to put the unit, so we ended up coming out from the basement here on that deal. But the rest of it, there's the tracking and the one drain. You know, everything turned out really nice, so I'm real happy with the end result of it. The unit seems to be working really well, very quiet, very good system. I got to get some caulking and put some caulking on that hole right there, and then this job's a wrap. On to the next one. I'll be filming YouTube videos for as much as I can. The old ambulance is getting a work out here in the cold, so but we'll be back soon.